Hello and welcome back, viewers, to another episode on Tekkit. I'm just on my way back to the hut since from the last time I got from the jungle. I'm here with Harry. You alright, Harry?
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm here. Right.
Right, I'm at the snow biome. Okay.
Okay, I made it. The MFSU.
You've made the MFSU. Excellent.
Yeah, I've got it. But we need solar panels though.
Solar panels, yeah. We should make a teleport as well. Right, there's the hut. Ah. Yeah, we need to make some quantum armor as well. Hello, Harry. Right.
Hello.
There it is, viewers. This is the MFSU. Right here. You need power, but it just generates stuff, and plus you can like do stuff like teleporting and stuff. So it's pretty decent.
Yeah.
Oh god, the door's glitched out for me. I've got a bit of wool to make them. Solar panels, yeah, no, they're so hard to make, aren't they? Yeah, I got the MD pestles.
The small ones.
Small ones. Oh right, okay. Solar. Okay. They're not too bad. Silicon. Okay. I need coal and sand in an alloy furnace. Right. I'll start making the silicon water. Use some coal and sand. And where's the sand? No, it's not that one. It's in this one. Oh, where did I put it? Oh, there we go. Got them here. Right, okay. We need. Okay. Where's the alloy furnaces? Over here. Which one are you not building in? Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. Damn. Okay, right, I've got that cooking away. Yeah, we've got silicon waffle.
Sure. Well, the MFSU's got 20,000.
20,000 what? Nikolai.
201,000.
201,000. Wow. Nikolai. Nope. Don't press the wrong button. Right, okay, there we go. That's cooking up. Yeah, apologise again, viewers, for the noise in the background, but it's not going to be that too bad. We got a diamond handsaw at all? Because we need that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, there we go. Got diamond. Oh, I've already got 7 drops of wafer, blue wafer.
Wafers.
Yeah, wafers. Yeah, it's in that chest there.
These blue ones.
Yeah.
Oh, you already made them.
Yeah, I'm just making them now. Okay. Yeah, we should make a bed. Not sure where to make them. Probably over here in this space, just so we can get this spawn. I think I put the wool in here. Yeah, I'm gonna just condense the wool. Okay. Oh.
What's she make now of the silicons?
Hold on. I'm just making a bed. I need some wood.
Any power?
Yeah, no. Have you made the solar panels yet?
Yeah, there's 3 already.
Yeah, have you connected it up?
She make bigger ones. Yeah, she make bigger ones.
Well, yeah, that's the idea, to make big ones. Oh.
Okay, see how much the big ones are.
Wait, where's the sun? Is it going dark?
Either way, where it's not light outside.
Yeah, well.
See medium voltage.
No, do the low ones because they're less expensive to make and easier to make. Oh god, it's a bit. Okay.
We've got to make. Whoa, your sound. Turn your sound down.
Is it loud?
Hit right there. Yeah. We need to make 8 solar panels to make a low one.
What are them?
Just one.
Oh,
Just solar panel.
just solar panel. Okay, coal dust, circuit generator.
We've got stuff.
Yeah, we can
Should we make the circuit? I'll make the circuit.
Battery. Right, you make a battery. Machine block. Furnace. Okay.
Circuit then.
Yeah. How'd you make a battery? It's not showing up. Oh right. Oh yeah. I remember to make this. Okay. Well, I'll make the batteries, and the machine block, and you make the generator.
Yeah.
As well. I'm still trying to
find out
make this bed. Where's the wall? Okay, we've got 2 beds. Excellent.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll make this then.
Hold on, how do you remove a waypoint?
I don't know.
Right, because it's in the way of a sign. I'm gonna put down. Hold on. Got any green wool? How do you make green wool? Wait, I want lime. Lime cactus. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna make a sign. It would just be easier to say which is whose bed.
I need these. Some of these, oops.
Oh, come on.
Do we need this?
Need another sign. I swear I picked up 2 signs. Oh, what the? Okay, that was a lag. Okay.
I need... don't know, I need copper.
Right, there you go. Put the signs down for a bed. Is it night time? No. Well, when it's night time, go to sleep because I made some beds.
Okay.
Right. We need to make battery as well. Put this stuff in here.
Some copper now.
Alright, nice.
Put some. What else can we put in here? It's EMC.
Why don't you use them MP pestles or something? What are you trying to make? Copper? Oh, right.
I'm making loads of wires. I'm going to make like a 64 stack of
Oh yeah, them wires, yeah. Yeah, they're well hard.
No, I'm making more.
Well, they're not hard.
64 stack of circuits.
Yeah, it takes effort, doesn't it, to make them circuits, doesn't it? Where we had like a diamond.
Put these down.
Come on. Okay, that's loads. Right. Sticky resin. Why have you put wood on top of the generator for this thing?
Did I?
The MD furnace, yeah. Or it's just a bug.
Oh, did I? Oh, don't know.
Yeah.
These down.
How many wires have you made so far?
Well, I think we have 3 circuits have we got?
Nope.
I've so far got like 30 circuits.
Okay, I've just pinched some there. There you go. Okay, I've got 6 in my hand. I've just nicked from you. I don't know. Put the stuff in the wrong chest. Right. Wait. Looking for this over here. Okay. Right.
40 circuits.
Nice. Okay. Wow. Okay. Well, we don't need that much anymore, I guess. Okay. Right. Put this in here.
How do I make a generator? Oh my.
I think it's just a machine block and a furnace and a battery. Yeah. Well, I'll make the batteries and you make.
The elf.
Okay, I'll make the battery and you get going.
The elf big fence.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. I have a plan. I like this. Okay. So, tin.
LV,
Tin.
transformer.
Where them copper wires go? Where'd you put all them copper wires?
I'm making more while I'm here.
Oh, come on.
Let me make it, Wes. I'm making something.
What, copper wires?
Right.
What are you making?
Yeah.
What?
Copper wires.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you had a 40. Oh no, that's
Yeah, but I
circuits.
need some more.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want some?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Actually, I don't need that many. You can have some.
Okay. Cheers. Excellent. Okay.
What's I'm making it elf?
I'm making a battery. You're making the generator. Oh no, you're making a machine block, and then we put that together. Which I didn't need that much wires. Okay. We need to charge up. We need to charge up the battery with the MFSU, don't we?
Yeah.
Oh wait, no. Is it no? It's
actually
no. It's the compressor. That's how you charge it up, I think. I'm not sure.
That's how you like.
No.
It.
Well, the MFSU's already got some power, hasn't it? So might as well.
Yeah, but no, because I put redstone in it.
Oh, well, keep putting redstone in it.
Look what happened. Look. But that's just ridiculous. We want some power anyway, don't we?
Yeah, I know, but you're gonna have to put redstone in to get power.
Yeah, for now, but we still need some things.
There we go. There's one battery charged up.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the toilet, guys.
Okay. Right. Away. Okay, there's another battery done. Oh, right. And then I used up all the redstone there. Oh, I did. Damn it. It's been a bit. This has been laggy. There we go. Yeah, charged up. Stay there. Whoa. Okay, this is mucking up. Okay, right. Yeah, you take the batteries and you charge them up. Okay.
Where can you take them? Oh.
You charge up the batteries. Yeah, when you've charged the batteries, put it in the redstone thing.
Phone's ringing, but we'll leave it.
Nice ringing tone.
Okay.
Right, oh, it's night time. Do you wanna sleep? Because it's night time.
Alright, okay. Do you need wood to block off the MFS?
No, just come and sleep. It should be alright.
Oh, because people will come in.
Okay, we'll block it with wood then. I don't know why you had it open anyway.
Because I'll put solar panels down.
Oh, okay. I'm going to bed then.
There you go, right, come on.
This is a bit wrong.
No, I can be separate. It's no.
Go on, hurry up.
Oh, I was looking at the stars.
Oh yeah, it's not doing that.
So there's a portal, mine does.
Is it? Oh right. Sick. Alright then, okay, we've got a spawn, that's good. Right, let's get back to work. Still got this diamond handsaw. Goes in the tools chest.
Oh yeah, I did batteries tonight.
You what?
I was doing batteries, I forgot.
Yeah.
How many did you need? 8.
Yeah, I think it was, I'm not sure. Just make loads, I suppose, because we could use them for another time.
Where's the crappy chest?
Crappy chest, that's here. I reckon all that one. You like your old crappy chest, don't you? Just shove everything in. How far are you? Have you made the LV transformer? Do you want me to make?
Yeah.
Do you want me to make that?
I've already made one.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's here.
Alright, okay.
I'm gonna need my batteries back.
Solar panel. Okay. Have you
Got
made
it.
Have you made a generator? Because then I'll make the.
No, that's why I was making the batteries. There you go. The LV transformer's on the floor by the chest.
Okay.
Oh, I'll give it to you. Ready?
Well,
Yeah.
just put it in the chest. I don't need it, do I? Oh yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
I thought you wanted it.
Well, I'll make it if
Just
you
have
do.
it anyway.
Well, I need the generator. Have you made the generator yet?
No, I'm doing the batteries. I thought you were going to start
Oh, okay. I'll make the
making it while I
generator.
do the battery.
I'll make the generator then. Well, I need the batteries to make it.
No, I'm just doing them.
Sounds wrong. Oh well.
How much do you need?
I don't know. Hold on.
I'll give you all I've got so far. That's all I've got so far. Look.
Yeah. Well, if how many? I'm gonna need 8 solar panels, just normal ones. So I'm gonna need eight batteries because I need 8 generators.
I've got loads more.
Okay,
I've got more than
machine
that.
block.
Look here.
Okay,
On
we
the
need.
floor, behind you.
Right, we need a machine block. Wow. Okay. Excellent. Well, we can always use these batteries for something else.
I'm just charging them up anyway, might as well.
Yeah.
Batteries.
Okay. Right. I need to make. Where's our refined iron? I need to make a machine block.
Yeah.
Actually, how many do we need? Oh, we need to make loads, don't we?
I got 4 more here.
Right, excellent.
Come in the red chest. I'm gonna install the chest.
Okay, I've made 8 machine blocks. This is perfect amount. Right, I need a furnace, which is in here, I believe. Yep. Right back. Right, okay.
Right. Oh, shit.
Let's make this
So there.
generator. Okay.
You need the electronic circuits, don't you?
Yeah.
I'll pass you the electronic circuit. Have you already got the electronic circuits?
No, it's in
Right.
the redstone chest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
I made up 40.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Pass me
okay.
the electronic circuits. If you've got
Yeah, I
them.
don't know where they've gone. They've disappeared.
Oh, it
I
should be in the
put on
red.
there. I've got.
Should be in the redstone chest,
Yeah,
right?
I've got David. There you go. Look, find you.
Excellent. Cheers. Right. Okay. Let's make this. Hold on. Make.
Tom, I'll throw it at you.
Okay.
Throw this stuff
A hot lady.
on the other craft tape. So, Helen?
I said a hot lady as a joke. I said
Oh.
anything you want, throw it at me. Oh, can you give me some glass?
Yeah. Glass. Got some. Let's just do it by accident.
Right.
Glass is hit.
Did you throw it? Oh, there
Yeah.
you go. Perfect.
Just take the one in your inventory. Coal dust.
No, I've got that. Okay, excellent. Okay, well, I've made 8. So now I make that like that, and then that. Oh, Oh, there you go. Low voltage solar panel. That took a lot of effort, didn't it?
Now put. Oh, right, okay. Good.
So just don't make a hole through the wall again. I'll just go round and do it like a normal person.
Yeah, break the top of the side. Break the wall, put them on the side of the wall.
Okay. Like that. Okay. There we go.
No, I think it doesn't work like that. If you're going to do it like that, because you have to all connect together.
Oh well, I don't
It
care.
won't work like that. Wait,
It didn't even
Oh
work.
wait, I'll show. I'll play it. I'll play it.
Okay, it didn't even work anyway.
Oh, it will. No, look. Right, where's the? I know how you set it out. Wait a sec. You
Okay.
just stay there and I'll do it. Where's the wire?
The cable. It should be in the redstone chest.
Yeah.
Well,
That's just
what a
upstairs.
surprise it's not even there. I don't know. I haven't got a clue.
Just put it. Right, yes.
Okay, cool. Glass. They shove in there. Zoom back everything out again. Okay, alternate electronic circuit. Okay, we've got 30 electronic circuits. Did you say you wanted some more dark matter or anything? Red matter.
What?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start making a generator because we need.
Oh yeah, they're good.
Well, I need a collector and a relay. They cost so much, but okay. And it's a glowstone, diamond block. Right, okay. First, connect some glowstone. Where's the MD pestle? Some of them going.
You get power. Get power.
You what? Hobby?
Yeah.
Hooray!
Power.
Let's have a look. This. Yeah. Going slow, but oh well. If we leave that for ages, we can make more.
Let's
Right.
make a nano suit.
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna make a generator first. You make a nanosuit.
Okay.
What am I doing? Okay.
Nano suit.
Yeah. Harry did post a video on YouTube of a tutorial how to make a nanosuit if you're struggling on anything we're making here. Trying best I can to show you how to make this stuff.
But we're obviously going to keep it, but obviously we're not
Yeah.
going to keep it. I'm just saying, we made one, but still,
Alright,
I'm going to
wow.
make another one because it's on.
Got glowstone on the house. Okay, we have loads of glowstone. Right, I want to make a glowstone chest. Okay, chest. Oh my god, we're out of chests. Wow, okay.
We're getting power. I know where.
8. Where did that wood go? Oh, I forgot to take it, that's why.
Yes! Look, we don't even need power for the compressor anymore. I've attached it to the thing.
Oh, right, nice. Okay,
The subs energy up. The MFSU is getting too much power finally.
is it? Well, okay, but
Not
if
too much.
you're connecting it to both, it's
That's okay.
gonna get less.
Yeah, I
But
have.
it doesn't really matter, to be honest.
I know. It's not really going up really fast, but it's. Whoa, what is it, man? What are we making now? Okay. I think I know how you make now. I'm not even going to look at the recipe. All I know is you need a, to call it with them crystals, so you need diamonds.
Okay,
And I remember making one place, so I know exactly what I'm doing.
okay, that's good. I like it. Actually, I tell you what, I'll just use
Where's
this.
all the diamonds?
Oh no.
Where's diamonds?
I made a glowstone chest.
Oh, I thought about diamonds. Like, what?
We out of diamonds? You kidding me? We cannot be out of
No,
diamonds.
I wasn't.
Good. I was just getting worried. Yeah, we got 59. It's loads. What's an axe doing in there? Put that in there.
A little.
Copper in here. MD pistol. Okay, right. We're going to red mount because I'm going to just condense it. Be lost.
I've already had one.
Yeah, okay. And dark mount. I'm going to condense them both. Ready, viewers? This is going to be hopefully a big shock. Well, full.
Our inventory's full. All my inventory is full with energy crystals.
Really?
Look at this chest, that Matt. Look at the red map. Look at the red chest.
Okay, hold on. Wow. Okay, wow, that's loads. How'd you... Why you make all of this? It's like, wow, okay. It's nice style. Red mount doesn't do that much. It only does 5. Oh well. What would you prefer? More red matter or more dark matter?
Oh no, I have no idea.
Which would
more dark matter and red matter, probably. Take turns.
Well, I just
think dark matter more because we don't use red matter that much.
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Okay. So.
Made 8. Okay. We have... It keeps bugging out. It keeps saying that I got more. Okay. We have 39 dark matter and 6 red matter. That's alright.
I'm not going to remember how the helmet, you need windows or glass. Okay. Let's do these.
Okay, right,
So
okay.
you need to put this here. Yes, it is.
Excellent, okay.
I'll make another one for you.
What are you making? A nano suit.
I'm making 2 nanosuit helmets.
Oh, okay.
I've only got the head.
Well, I'll help making a nano suit. I'll make a chest plate. Oh, carbon
Damn
plate.
it! Power.
Carbon flesh.
Pretty much out of power, so because the solar panels are down now, so
I'm gonna make loads
I'll
of...
put redstone.
Alright, I'm gonna make loads of raw carbon flesh.
Okay.
Okay.